Thank you. Now to vaccine coverage we were first to report. We told you that the state rejected FEMA's offer to bring more than 250,000 vaccines here to Pima County.
Yeah, the county sent a letter last week to the White House asking if the feds could work with them directly. Pima County is now asking Governor Ducey to reconsider his decision. And tonight, we're hearing from FEMA. Pima County is pulling out all stops to get hundreds of thousands more vaccines to our region, starting as early as next week.
We are so close to the finish line here. We are so damn close to the finish line.
To get most of Pima County vaccinated, at least 70% to reach herd immunity. This is the latest move. A letter sent to Governor Ducey asking him to reconsider the decision to reject FEMA's offer. It's also signed by the mayors of Tucson, South Tucson, Marana, Oro Valley, and Sahuarita.
It happens very rarely, and so I think all the mayors and I believe the chair of the board all agreed that having more vaccine in Pima County is a good thing.
I think that backing up Pima County and fighting for this makes, it makes our position stronger.
The state has given a number of reasons it can't help run a federal pod, but Pima County said it doesn't have to. The county will fit the bill. Dr. Francisco Garcia says it's critical to get more vaccines to disadvantaged and minority populations. Out of the 411,000 total vaccines so far, Latinos here account for just under 16%, still outpacing the state.
We know where the bulk of that population lives. We know where they work. It would allow us to really achieve a tremendous amount of vaccine coverage in a relatively short period of time.
The county pinpoints two ideal locations: the Kino Event Center, where COVID testing is done, and the El Pueblo Center, areas where Dr. Garcia knows from experience Hispanics are comfortable visiting and can access easier.
In terms of our community is the fact that we rely on each other for knowledge and we rely on each other for assistance. And the fact that your neighbor is able to walk down the street to El Pueblo to get vaccinated will mean that a lot of other people will walk down the street to El Pueblo.
KGA 9 received this letter written by FEMA and sent to State Health Director Kara Christ. It states Pima County is an excellent candidate to reach underrepresented populations hit hard by COVID. The agency said it's concerned about Dr. Christ's public statements about the state's inability to help run the federal pods. FEMA says they would work with state and local health officials and come up with an 8-week vaccination supply, clinical and administrative staff, and 100% federal funding. And the Pima County Board is set to take up this issue at an emergency meeting tomorrow, and we'll keep you updated on the developments.